Khalifa in Arabic, which means Tower of Khalifa, was formerly known as Burj Dubai. Burj Khalifa is a skyscraper tower in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, which was inaugurated on January 4 and 2010. Burj Khalifa was built by the Soft Company, Samsung Engineering and Construction. The main structure of the Burj Khalifa is made of reinforced concrete. More than 45,000 meter cubic of concrete is used, weighing more than 110,000 tons for the foundation system. The foundation uses a pile cap supported by 192 piles, with each pillar 1.5 meter in diameter times 43 meter long, built more than 15 meter or 164 feet deep. The Burj Khalifa construction used 330,000 meter cubic of concrete and 55,000 tons of rebar. Burj Khalifa 132,000 square meter facade curtain wall is made of aluminum, silicon and glass. It consists of more than 25,000 panels specially designed to save energy. Their high performance reflective glass greatly reduces heat transmission, which is an important feature in the extreme heat of Dubai. Development process. The first process, giant foundation. The tower will stop atop a 3.7 million thick triangular frame foundation supported by 192 stock of round steel or cylindrical support measuring 1.5 meter in diameter and extending 15 meter or 164 below ground. Second process, anti-earthquake. High-strength concrete is used to help achieve stability in ultra-high structure. The Burj Dubai is designed to withstand earthquakes measuring up to 6 on the Richter scale. It will also hold steady during severe winds of up to 55 meters per second. 3. Process, edge in the sky. To ensure the structural stability of the Burj Dubai during construction, 4. Vertical and lateral tower movements are tracked with the help of a global schedule based for the positioning system. During construction, repeat any change in the building schedule distribution efforts closely monitored in real time during concrete use of more than 7 steel segments have been here in the staging area on the joint before being lifted to the fixing area in the sky as construction progress. 5. Process, obtaining concrete. On the second day of the 3-day construction cycle, the shape that create the interior structure on a particular floor are set into position while door openings and steel beam support are attached as well. The next day, concrete will be poured into shape and then onto the next floor. 5. Process, weight raising. Even before a certain floor is completed, construction engineers position the shapes and building materials next to the 2.300 tons hydraulic jack. 6. Process, super cranes. On the very top floor finished at Burj Dubai, 3 giant tower cranes have been installed to lift large quantities of building material rapidly where they are needed. 8. Process, fort workers placing concrete or distributor have been erected at the Burj Tower construction site so that the mixed and cast concrete is transported quickly and efficiently. 9. Process, power pump. 3 high-pressure pumps are on hand at the Burj Tower site to transport concrete up to the construction crew at abbreviated height. The challenge is to deliver high string concrete up to 5 570 meter in height without losing base durability or consistency. 10 process. Host way. Another hard worker is the Titanic hoist, a freak to lift heavy material and construction workers. A total of 50 hosts while at high speed continuously travel up and down the tower. 11 process. A building this size, remember, the structure weighs 50,000 tons, has the tendency to sink if that is a little. So each floor is built an average of 5 millimeter higher than the designed floor height. 12 process. Shelter from Hurricane Bruce Dubai is designed with 4 refuge shelter every 30 floor in case of an emergency such as a fire or terrorist attack. Also, in dedication to the 55 high speed lifts, a separate emergency lift is being installed to quickly and safely evacuate occupants located at the higher level.